All right, gonna do a quick little walk around here. The Play-Porch is almost complete. Needs a couple adjustments at the top of the landing here, the sign, and some stain. Possibly a few more play attachments down here at the bottom. But all in all, it's pretty much done. So here's what we got. The kids have a nice slide coming off the side over here. I'm gonna do a platform because it didn't quite reach. A bunch of toys hanging underneath, tire swing, steering wheels, hanging steering wheel. Come around this way, they got some swings underneath here. Still need to do cleanup after construction. We got a slide coming down this side. These solar powered lights on all the posts. And the addition. Turned out pretty nice.